Hey there and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how we made the wings for my Hawks cosplay from My Hero Academia. I might also show you how to attach them so that you can wear them with your costume, but that will be another video then. Just tell me in the comments below if you're interested in that. So, without further ado, let's start! First of all, I did lay on the ground and we sketched the basic shape onto a piece of paper to figure out the right size. Once we liked the size, we focused on the form and cut the paper into shape. Now, what do you actually need if you want to make such wings as well? Wire, glue, red light fabric, scissors and lots of feathers. This is the wire frame we made, which will then be covered with a light fabric of your choice. We opted for something red we still had in the closet. I'd suggest just pick one roughly the color of your feathers. We then cut the feathers into the shape we wanted and sorted them according to size. Then it was time to begin the long process of gluing the feathers onto the fabric. We started with the feathers down here so that we could move up and have every new row cover the one below. Look at birds' wings and how the feathers are lined up there. That will help you to get the shape you want to have in the end. Then it's time for more gluing and more gluing. Did I mention gluing? For the upper part, we used small and partly softer feathers to give the wings a really nice finish. We then built the harness, attached them and ta-da! Due to the wire we can bend them, which worked really well at last year's Konichi. I had them close to my body when I went inside the convention hall and wider for photos outside. I hope this small tutorial could help you a bit. Thanks for watching and have fun with your new wings!